Welcome to calculus this year. If your child is in my calculus class, that does mean that they have had me before, so you as a parent might be at least familiar with the way that I run things. So this is my calculus website, and you can click on any of these links along here. They outline my late homework policy, my technology use policy, and I'm pretty strict about not playing on things that they shouldn't. I would like to send you down to my unit calendar. The students all get a copy of the unit calendar in their OneNote. They can see pretty much where everything is, what we're doing on any given day. Especially as seniors, a lot of students can be out of class for different things. So that's the reason that I like to have that. But they also get a good feel for when their test is coming, so they can plan around that with their sports and activities. My contact information is in here, and I'll update that each year as we change this. You can read about any of these other ones, but this is a dual credit course. And so my CMO syllabus is in here outlining the topics that we're covering. With calculus, this is a wonderful class to be taking at the high school level because as the high school teacher, I get to teach in the entire year, so 30 some weeks, what they would get in the 15 weeks at a college class. And so we get to go a lot slower. We get to look into things pretty solidly and make sure they're ready for this. Should I take this class for dual credit is a major question, especially at this level. And it's not a decision that I can make for you, but I encourage you to talk to each other, talk parents with your children, and find out what they're looking at going forward. If this is the last class that they're taking, they're not going into a math intense field, but they're going into a science intense field, it would be a good thing to get out of the way. Most colleges in Missouri will take this one. There was some question at the beginning whether S&T would, but most of the time you can just talk to your enrollment department or your math department and find out what they will accept. There are a number of colleges that do ask for a placement test when you come out of here to see if you can test out of it. Just know the rules at your college. So if you'd like to talk to me or Mrs. Keeney more about those requirements or how dual credit works, we would be happy to have a chat with you. There is no right answer for that one or wrong answer as far as that goes. So this just gives you some information about that. If you have any questions for me, feel free to contact me and I would be happy to talk with you about any of the things that is on this page.